Yes, dear student, there is a question from NCERT book 9.7. You are required to prepare convex lens of focal length 20 cm from a glass of refindex 1.55. If both the radii are equal, then calculate the radius of each face. So here if R1 is equal to plus R and R2 will be taken as minus R. Putting this value in equation 1 upon 20, 1.55 minus 1 into 1 upon R plus minus. Here minus or minus R. So when we solve this minus plus, so 1 upon 20.55 into 2 by R or R equal to this. So we get R 22 centimeter. You may be asked what is the power of lens. वो नहीं पूछा इसने, कोई बात नहीं. Now there is a good question here. 9.8. 9.8 question is there. NCERT. Please have NCERT book with you. Question says a beam of light converges to a point. A beam converges to a point P here. Now, if in the path of this beam, a convex lens of focal length is placed. Focal length here given 20 centimeters. And it is placed from P at distance of 12 centimeters. This distance 12 centimeters. Where the beam will converge now. And where it will converge if we place concave lens focal length 16 centimeters. Yes. So first let us come to this. Beam was converging. Now ये point P यहाँ पर है. It was converging here. But this lens, name it converging. It will converge more. So somewhere it will get. So where this distance? So for this convex lens, this point P where beam was converging, point P where beam was converging, will act as virtual object. Virtual object. So U is equal to plus 12 centimeter. F is equal to 20 centimeter. Using lens equation. So 1 upon B minus 1 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon 20. 1 upon B equal to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 12. LCM will be 60. 3 ja plus 5 ja. So here B come out to be 60 upon 8. 8 7 ja 56. 8 5 ja 40. Don't try to minimize the fraction. Divide simply. यानी कि ये डिस्टेंस 7.5 सेंटीमीटर हो गई यहाँ से. The beam क्योंकि इसकी नेचर कन्वर्जिंग है, तो it will converge more. Now if we place concave lens at same distance, but focal length 16 centimeter. Focal length 16 centimeter. Beam was converging at this point P here. So where it will converge now? Focal length of this lens is minus 16 centimeter. It is 12 centimeter. Again, for this concave lens, point P will act virtual object. Its distance, अब object distance negative होता है real, but for virtual it is positive because distance will measure in the direction of along the direction of incidence rays. So using U is equal to plus 12, F is equal to minus 16. Focal length of concave lens negative. So 1 upon V plus minus 1 upon 12 equal to minus 1 by 16. So 1 upon V equal to minus 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 12. LCM 48 minus 3 जा हमें प्लस 4 जा हमें ये दो ना 16 3 जा 12 हो जा तो V will come out 48 सेंटीमीटर क्योंकि प्लस का 1 बचेगा यानी कि ये दूर जाएगा यहाँ से बिकॉज इट इज कन्वर्जिंग तो डाइवर्जिंग लाइन so beam will converge. If point P had been closer here, it might have appeared to diverge also. Here actually this image of virtual object is formed by real image. So in concave lens, if object is virtual, it may form the real image depending on position of virtual object. There are cases where virtual object or virtual image भी बन सकता है concave में, depending upon distance. Then there is question number 9.99 तो I have done concave lens. 9.10 see the language, very interesting language. What is the focal length of convex lens of focal length 30 centimeter? What is the focal length of convex lens of focal length 30 centimeter in contact with concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter? What is the focal length of convex lens of focal length 30 centimeter in contact with concave lens of 20? यानी कि अगर हमारा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस जिसकी फोकल लेंथ 30 सेंटीमीटर है, इट इज प्लेस्ड इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद कॉन्केव लेंस ऑफ फोकल लेंथ 20 सेंटीमीटर, वो माइनस 20 होगी. कॉन्केव लेंस फोकल लेंथ 20. In other words, you are asked to find the focal length of combination of lens. भाई हमने इस लेंस के कॉन्टैक्ट में ये रख दिया, इसकी फोकल लेंथ 30 सेंटीमीटर थी, तो अगर ये तब इसकी फोकल लेंथ क्या होगी, यानी कंबाइनेशन क्या होगी. तो 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2. 1 upon F1 30 और ये प्लस 1 upon minus 20, यानी कि 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 20. एलसीएम 60 2 जा minus 3 जा, तो that F will be minus के 60 सेंटीमीटर. यानी this combination will behave like concave lens. So focal length of this convex lens of 30 centimeter focal length becomes in one sense minus 60 centimeter placed in contact of concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Now again come to another very good question. The image of a small electric bulb fixed on the wall of a room is to be obtained on opposite wall 3 meters away by means of large convex lens What is the maximum focal length required for this purpose? Here is one wall and the bulb is fixed here. There is another wall 3 meters away. So we want the image of this bulb here only. So what should be the maximum focal length? स्मॉल से तो हो जाएगा. फोकल लेंथ मैक्सिमम कितनी यूज कर सकते हैं ताकि इमेज हियर विल बी ऑन इमेज. तो लेट दिस लेंस बी प्लेस हियर. इसकी फोकल लेंथ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. तो इफ इमेज इज देयर, let me take this B here. Distance of image from lens to this wall, BB. Then what will be U? 3 minus V, or it will be of minus sign. Now U has also become a known. 3 meter है ये V मीटर माना. तो our V is known now and U also. Applying lens equation 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon V minus 1 upon minus 3 minus V 1 upon F. This minus cancel. LCM V into V 3 minus V. Divided by the, you will get 3 minus V and plus V equal to 1 by 3 F. These V cancel, so we get 3F. 3F is equal to 3V minus V square, or V square minus 3V plus 3F is equal to 0. We have got quadratic equation in terms of V. The image on wall will be real image. So value of V also should be real. For real image on wall, V should also be real. And you know, for real roots we know, नहीं जानते तो याद कर लो. We know for real roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. B square minus 4AC should be greater than equal to 0. Now in this equation, what is it? A 1, B minus 3, C 3F. So using this fact here, B square minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into C 3F greater than equal to 0. This solution is given by me in book. Actually the thing has been explained other way, and myself also could not understand what they are saying. This is the simplest solution. अब सुनिए ध्यान से यहाँ पर क्या होगा. It is 9 minus 12F greater than equal to 0. Minus 12F greater than equal to minus 9. Both sides there is minus sign. If you want to remove this minus sign, so what will happen? Dear friend, please listen me what I say. I say कि minus 3 greater than minus 1 है. Sorry, less than, sorry. Minus 3 greater than minus 6 है. If I remove sign, it becomes 3. So 3 less than 6. So if I change the I cancel sign, then we have to write 12f less than equal to 9, or f less than equal to 9 upon 12 meter, or f is equal to, if you convert centimeter, 75 centimeter. 3 by 4 मीटर 75 सेंटीमीटर. तो यानी कि मैक्सिमम क्या हो गया, मैक्सिमम डिग्री 75 सेंटीमीटर. अगर इससे कम लेंथ होगी या इसके बराबर है तो इमेज दीवार पर आएगा. If focal length less than 75, then you get image on the wall. You may get wherever the object be placed. Sorry, wherever the lens be placed. This distance 3 meter fixed. If focal length of this lens is less than 7, means maybe 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5, तो इमेज वहाँ पर मिलेगा. लेकिन if the focal length become more than 75, wherever you put the image will be real, but maybe outside this, beyond the wall. This is a good question to understand here. I hope you have got my point. Now, there is one more question here. That is 9.20. 9.20. I told you displacement method of finding the focal length. It is based on that. A screen is 9 centimeter from object. Here is the object, and there is a screen. Screen. Distance 90 centimeter. The image of object on screen is formed by lens in two different locations separate 20 centimeter. भाई यहाँ पर लेंस रख दें और फिर यहाँ से 20 दूर पे रख दें, तो we get image in both cases on the screen 20 centimeter. So what is the focal length of this lens? So in this case, A is equal to 90 and B is equal to 20 centimeter. And their focal length was, you remember? हाँ भाई, क्या निकाली थी फोकल लेंथ हमने वो? A square minus B square upon this A square minus B square upon 4A. तो 90, मुझे डाउट क्यों हो गया? I am doubtful. मैंने क्या निकाला था वो? A square माइनस, हाँ यही होगा, ठीक है. तो व्हाट इज A 90? तो 90 स्क्वायर और माइनस 20 स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 इंटू 90. So it is 90 plus 20 into 90 minus 20 upon 490. So it is 110 into 70 upon 4 into 90. कितना बनेगा भाई ये? 70 upon 36. पूजा 32. 72. 72. So 5 0, then 1 ja 4 1 0. How many times? 3 4 ja 12. Yes, nearly 21.4 centimeter. This has come out to be from NCERT book. 2 questions are left. Will be done in next video, and they are also good questions. Thank you.